Morning. Today we are gonna to pack today we are going to pack our school bag and the school supplies what I use in school as well as what I use at home. So let's pack tomorrow is our school, so let's pack all those things. So first I'm going to get ready with my pouch. So let's see. So here I am having the unicorn magical pouch, which is the multicolor pouch. So let's clean it. So I'm using the red color this cloth for cleaning it. Let's clean. So finally I have cleaned my pouch. So let's pack it. Let's pack the stationery in it. So I'm taking the organizer first. So I'm taking this gripper ball pen, which is my favorite. So I'm using first this. Then I'm having this ball pen. Then this unicorn pen, which is the like an ink pen. This lead pencil. This pencil. Scale. Sharpener. Eraser. And the liquid box. So again I'm having this extra pencil, which is so cute and which is having a diamond in back. And now I am having the cute mini unicorn, so cute. And these two paper clips. And then I am having these two paper clips also, which is the small one. Now let's pack all this stationery into my pouch. So finally I have packed the stationery. Now we will add one note in this. So I am having this paper, which is light pink color. So let's write some note on it. So I have written the first day of school in this. I am adding the black pen also in my pouch. So let's add it. Now let's close the pouch. So our pouch is packed. So here I am going to pack the second pouch, which is on the craft supplies. So let's pack it also. So here I am using the crayons to pack. This crayons is the Adika plastic crayons.